Hello everyone, this is Reena welcoming all of you in our today's e-lecture for class BA part 3rd, and this is the third video regarding this poem Preludes written by T.S. Eliot. So dear students, as previous in video first we have discussed the biography of T.S. Eliot, and in video second we have discussed the prelude first and its line by line explanation, and this is the video third having prelude second. Okay, so prelude second is a short poem, but before we read the poem prelude second, here we need to have some general intro about prelude second. So what is discussed in Prelude Second by T.S. Eliot? Just have a look about the introduction to Prelude Second. Okay, the second prelude opens with the scene of morning. First prelude, we saw the scene of evening at 6 o'clock evening, and the prelude first ends with a lightning of street lamps. Okay, and this is the second prelude, and the time of the second prelude is morning time. The second prelude opens with the scene of morning. This is also a gloomy picture of morning at a street of London city. Here, the arrival of the day is greeted with the smells of beer from the streets, and the streets covered with and the streets covered with sawdust, and which is trampled by the crowd, including workers going to the factories and their workplaces, and they hurriedly go to drink coffee. Means the day begins with the usual activities of the poor people at the street. So, this is general intro. Means in the second prelude, T.S. Eliot gives an image of morning scene. Means morning is also as mechanical as evening, as we have studied previous in prelude first. So this is prelude second, and it is also contains a ugly and filthy atmosphere of the city life where poor people lived. So next slide, this is our prelude second, and this is a short para as a prelude second. It contains only almost 10 lines. So this is our prelude second. And in the prelude second, he depicts a time of morning, means morning time. So let's start. The morning comes to consciousness of faint, stale smells of beer from the sawdust trampled street, and with all its muddy feet that praise to early coffee stands. So these are the first 5 lines of Prelude Second, and in these lines, T.S. Eliot means these lines opens with the scene of morning, and this is also a gloomy picture of morning. The day is greeted with the smells of beer from the streets. Means which kind of streets? The streets of city London where the poor people lives. So in that kind of streets, what is uh, what is happening? What is happening at the beginning of the day? Means in that kind of streets where the poor people dwell, here the arrival of the day is greeted with the smells of beer from the streets, and the streets covered with the sawdust which is trampled by the crowd, including workers going to the factories and their workplaces, and they hurriedly go to drink coffee. Means the day begins with the usual activities of the poor people at these kind of streets where the poor people lived. So this is the short means a short extract as prelude second, and we are discussing the first five line, and just have a look on the next five line as with the other masquerades the time resumes, and one thinks of all the hands that are raising dingy shades and in a thousand of furnished rooms. So this is last five lines of these are last five line of prelude second. And now T.S. Eliot depicts the beautiful picture of activities of the busy day. Means here again he discusses the everyday's life, everyday's activities, usual activities of the poor people of a city where the poor people and the streets of the city where these kind of people lived. So in the next five lines, T.S. Eliot depicts a beautiful picture of activities of a busy day. Here, ironically, he says the beautiful picture of activities of the busy day because there is no beauty in the days of a poor people. So he says that the stage is being set for the upcoming activities of the whole day, and we can easily see the hands of raising up the squalid windows and shades in the thousand furnished rooms, and people are lifting the shades to let in morning light, and thus this belief description of the morning scene in the streets and in the houses throws light on the modern civilization. So preludes deal with the more sordid aspect of city life. These preludes present the characters of degraded. Degraded means they are degraded by the poverty and gross sexuality. So it presents the sordid atmosphere of city life. Sordid atmosphere of city life. So this is the prelude second. And in prelude first, we saw that T.S. Eliot depicted the scene of evening, wintry evening. And in prelude second, he turns at the morning time. He depicted how the morning, how the starting of the day greeted by these kind of people living in city streets with a smell of beers. So everywhere he created a depressive and dreary world because the poor people are destined to live these kind of smoke and filth. So thus the T.S. Eliot is considered as a revolutionary poet in English poetry because in the first half of 20th century he depicted the poetry as in realistic manner, and here so skillfully he makes our eyes travel up and down and across the scenes as he depicted in prelude first and second, and later we will discuss in prelude third and fourth. So these poems preludes are the four sketches, and now we have studied the two sketches, and both of two prelude first and second depict the the atmosphere of the day. In first at evening time, in second at morning time, and later in prelude third and fourth we will see the sketch of unclean woman. So this is prelude second, and means T.S. Eliot in his four parts of the preludes present the image of stinking city streets and dirt and foul smelling people of the cities, and thus the poet shows a dreary and depressing world in these preludes. And this is our second prelude, and I hope all of you understand better the prelude second. So get ready in our next and upcoming video number uh, fourth regarding this um, poem, and in our next video we will discuss the prelude third. So be with me in our next video. Till then, have a nice time and enjoy your studies.